Hello, how you doing? Look, gonna make this chicken tomato today, kind of Italian-esque, really simple. You can get it together in absolutely no time. So in my pan, I'm gonna start this off with some olive oil. I'm being quite generous with my oil. I'm gonna use about 5 tablespoons. Change that if you want. Okay, the chicken that I'm using today is chicken thigh with the bone in and the skin on. You can use a different part, I suppose, if you like. Okay, I've got 7 pieces. What I'm going to do is get that in a pan on a above medium heat. Going to cook that for about 4 or 5 minutes. I'm going to be turning it around just to get a little bit of colour on it. Optional, I'm going to go for a dried red chilli. I like that in there. And I've got, I don't know, 7 or 8 black olives. I'm using a Kalamata olive. Stone is in. Take them out if you like. Use green. 1 cup of onion chopped. Salt to taste, of course. Black pepper. And then again, we're going to cook this for about 4 minutes or so, stirring fairly often. I'm going to stick in about a tablespoon of chopped garlic. Again, adjust that as you wish. And there you see I've got some fresh tomatoes. I've got 2 cups worth there of a fresh tomato. Little bit of oregano, dried oregano. I suppose about a teaspoon or so. Very simply, we're going to cook that. We want to get those tomatoes to cook down a little bit, so maybe 5 or 6 minutes. As you can see, they've kind of softened, give off a little bit of moisture. Tomato paste, that's 135 grams. Now I know that because it's one of those very small little Tetra packs. Mix that in, and quite important to kind of cook the paste out. I like to cook it out a little bit. We're going to go for about another 4 to 5 minutes, again stirring fairly often here. Absolutely delicious. Couldn't be easier really, could it? Nice, easy bit of chicken. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.